you head into it? How do you prepare? Because you're on a vessel that's $8 million. Vessel. You don't want to come around the corner and knock it.
Yeah, no.
So how do you mentally prepare getting into a boat doing that?
I mean, you really don't. You've just got to accept the fact that that's what you're going to be doing. You know, so I sit there and I put my race suit on and I go, right, let's find a enough right this race. Because the last race I did flip it. So
wow.
It's always on your mind.
Yeah. Now, we spoke with your mum earlier, we spoke with Marilyn, and she said every time you go out in the boat, she's a bit of a nervous wreck.
Yeah, she is. She's good though. I mean, there's some mums that actually do come along and they're in tears and they're sitting there and it's like, they're fine, they're still going around, there's no problems.
So how did you get into this? You're 21 now.
Yeah.
How did you get into this?
I started when I was 18 years old.
You have to be 18.
Yeah, you have to be 18.
Yeah.
But my dad had done a lot of promotion for the sport since I was 10, so I've been around these guys for 10 years or so, and I just thought, I'm going to give it a crack, and being the only female in it, it's good.
So Big Brother was in it before you.
Yes.
He gave it a crack, but then got him out to work.
Yeah, I thought, no, that's enough.
You pushed him out of the boat and said, get out, it's my turn. Only women in the sport, that is amazing.
Yeah, it is good. I mean, it would be great if there were more women involved in it, but I think that's something that we need to try and promote a bit more for women. Because, everyone looks at fast boats and goes, that's something that I should do.
Well, yeah, I think things are changing, and you're one of those pioneer women that are changing it for us. So how would you get, sort of engage women in this kind of sport?
Well, I mean, the most that I can really do is just go up and speak to the people about it. And, what you get is you get a lot of young little girls, like, 5 and 10 years old, come up and they're like, wow, this is so cool.
Yes.
Like, you're a girl.
Yeah.
And they're the ones who can get a bit of target.
They're going to be the ones that are going to follow you.
That's right, yeah. So you've got to speak to everybody and just show them that it's not all about men, that we can be
Exactly. Now, I've got some stats about your boat, because of course you've got your dad Conn next to you. He's Throttleman, although I'm campaigning that we should change Throttleman to throttle person to allow more women to come in.
Yeah, that's right.
So your throttle person next to you, your right hand man, is Conn, who is your dad, and of course he's probably one of your biggest supporters.
Yeah, he is. He's great. He's always been there for me. He's always telling me what to do and how to do it. It's great. Big thanks to him.
So who came up with Simrad on the boat? What's that about?
Simrad's actually a sponsor for us.
Yes.
So they're major sponsors. They deal with very different things and navigation. So they've put their hand in their pockets and they've said, we want to help you guys out. We want to create a boat and create our company.
South Strip Ultimate Vehicles is also your
that's
sponsor as well. Yeah. Okay, so your boat is a 32-foot blade custom, which is a bit longer than the other boats in your class.
Yeah, some of them we range from 28 to 32 foot in our class. But yeah, no, this is there's about 3 boats built from Blackwood.
Yes.
We're one of them, so it's quite a unique.
It is unique because then on top of that, it is a longer boat. You've also got 2 300 horsepower Evinrude power pumps.
Yes, that's right.
I mean, you're sitting on 600 horsepower.
It is crazy, isn't it? Yeah.
I asked your mum, what did you drive when you're driving out of the car park here? I'm hoping it isn't a survival. I think I can see you getting out of the car and pushing it.
Yeah, no, lucky I drive it. It's got a highlight, so all good.
So when you meet new people, your friends, family, what do they say about you racing?
I mean, everyone's supportive, it's great. They're pretty stoked that I'm doing it. They put my dad out and just like, it's just a good family environment. We love it. It's good to see together.
Of course, yeah, good too. Mum's involved, and of course she's a great supporter of you guys in the whole thing. So that's fantastic. That's what you need is the family support and also friends who are involved in this, because you're all mates behind the scenes, aren't you? Yeah. It's all pretty competitive. You'll see the footage a bit later. 222 Newcastle and Maritimo.
On that,
wow.
that top corner up there?
That top corner up there at Spears Point.
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah.
And of course Maritimo then came to a halting, but they were number three the whole way around.
Yeah,
They came to a grinding stop, unfortunately. You'll see. Well, I don't think they collided, but certainly there was some water spray there that's going to affect them. So you'll be able to see, you're fresh out of the boat, so you don't know any of this yet. I'm giving you the debrief of what's going on, so fantastic.
I'll prepare for it.
Yeah. What are you going to do to prepare for tomorrow?
Well, we probably won't change too much. We're going to try and sort out our steering issue that we had today.
Yeah.
That's why we're quite far behind everyone. We just couldn't seem to figure out what was going on. So we'll bring the boat up on the trailer, go through it all, and try and find all the everything that's been holding us back.
Because we've said to everyone, look, come down to Marmot Point, come down to the start finish. I mean, you can't get closer to a super boat than here. I mean, the spray's hitting our face while we're calling the race. But the fantastic thing is people can actually go to your pits here and have a walk around, because not only are your vessels so impressive, but the trucks, the cranes, the vehicles and the pit crew are just as impressive and amazing as well.
Yes.
So you've obviously piloted your boat around to the marina just here. You've crawled out elegantly, but you're now going to get a crane that is now going to pull that up out of the water and onto the vehicle, where then your crew is going to have a look at that.
Yeah, that's right. So Wilson Cranes, they do cranes for this weekend, and what they do is as soon as the race is over, everyone goes in line, they all stand around, they put their slings on, everyone gets lifted up back to the trailer, and everyone gets
And I tell you what, that is just as exciting. I reckon it's just as exciting as watching the racing going on. So when you're in the boat, you're actually in communication with the pit crew?
No, I'm not. There are some teams that are like that, but I mean, we don't really. There is no need for us to contact people on shore, because at the end of the day, they can't really do.
What are they going to do? I can imagine there'd be a lot of screaming and carrying on and swearing and wait till I come back.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, well, you know what? Them actually don't speak at all.
Really?
We sit in the boat and we'll look at our mirrors and we're like, right, boat on the side, boat on that side. That's all we say.
Is there some etiquette out there? Because I did see when Maritimo especially was in the last couple of laps, he was then lapping.
Yes.
But the other boats did seem to move over to the left.
Yeah.
Is some etiquette there?
Well, everyone should be staying in their lines, but it's really first to the buoy and etc. from that. But mainly what you really want to do is just avoid collisions. So you'll do anything you can not to get in people's way. So I think there's a silent etiquette there. Everyone follows the race rules.
Well, it's an expensive scrape if there is a bit of a car park. Thank you so much for chatting with us today. We do appreciate it, because you're going to have to get the mind and body into sync. What are you going to do this afternoon to spend the afternoon?
I'm going to have a beer and I'm going to
Yeah, go and have a little nap, exactly. Yes. Well, you've got a fantastic place to have a look around. Warners Bay, you've got Spears Point, Elabana. This is God's country here, so you'll have a great time. But you're not a stranger. You've been up here before and seen the place. So welcome to beautiful Lake Macquarie, and enjoy your stay. But we can't wait to see you tomorrow morning and hopefully get that gremlin fixed in your steering.
I hope so too. Well, thanks for having us.
That's fantastic. Lovely to have you, and of course we will talk to you tomorrow after, or maybe even before the race.